In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to build money-making websites with our brand new software Buildzy. Once you're inside your WordPress admin area, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to settings. This is where you can integrate video platforms like YouTube, news sources, and tweak a few other things. You don't have to fill out all of these fields, but each service that you integrate gives your site more money-making opportunities. For example, YouTube is used as a source of viral videos that will be added for your site automatically. Or like Google Translate can be used to translate your new content to other languages. You don't have to do them all, but the more services you can integrate, the better results you can get. And by the way, everything you need to know about these settings is covered in the training videos here. There are also a couple of links here and here that will take you to a detailed page with instructions and pictures. Okay, so once you've taken care of settings, head over to Manage Campaign and click this big blue button on the top. We're going to set up a new content campaign that will work quietly behind the scenes and automatically add new posts to your site. For the purpose of this quick demo, I'm going to show you how to set up RSS campaign because it's the fastest option. Simply click on RSS and then on this checkbox to use our built-in database of news sources. Select a news source from this drop-down. I'm going to go with Feed Burner in the travel category. Next we have post status, and I want my new post to be published right away, and which category on our site we want to post new content to. Let's see, I'm gonna go with hobbies. Click Save Campaign and give it a few seconds. And as soon as you do that, the plugin will start pulling all the top news from this new campaign and posting them to your site. Let's hit refresh on our demo site. And just look at that. In just a couple of minutes, we were able to create a site with some awesome content. And every time somebody comes to your site, you get to earn from banner clicks, affiliate offers, or even video ads. So that's just a quick demo of how the plugin works. There are some other cool features waiting for you, like ability to translate posts to other languages, use a text spinner, and so on. You get to pull content from other sources like YouTube, Dailymotion. You can customize the video player. You can use a keyword replacer and link any word or a phrase inside your post to your affiliate links, plus many more money-making features. The special launch discount is ending soon, so go ahead and grab your download and start earning with your own money-making website today.